LucyBlue's Puppet Show 2. Go!
My hand tastes good. Hey! Oh, I didn't see you there. Have you ever eaten your hand, kind of? Well, I'm eating it right now. See, it's kind of like...
This is good alligator. Ha! No! I'm eating your brother right now. I'm eating your brother. I'm eating your brother.
I'll be right back.
I was eating.
Okay, sorry. I was using my hand.
Sorry, I was
Hands are
eating.
very, very delicious.
Sorry,
it tastes like your butt. And so...
Oh,
yeah.
sorry, I was eating his brother. No, you can't eat me. I'm strong.
I am not defeated.
And that is the end of this episode.